Hey tech lovers, welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the latest and greatest in the tech world. Today I'm diving deep into the much anticipated Nothing Phone 3. This is the phone that everyone has been talking about, and for good reason. If you've been keeping up with Nothing's electrifying journey, you know they've been making waves with their sleek designs and innovative features. From the very first model, Nothing has set itself apart with a unique blend of minimalism and cutting-edge technology. So, let's get right into the heart of it. What makes the Nothing Phone 3 stand out in a sea of smartphones? Nothing has really upped their game with the specs this time around. We're talking about a device that's not just about looks but packs a serious punch under the hood. Rumor has it, the Nothing Phone 3 will be powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 2 processor. This is a significant upgrade from its predecessor, promising faster speeds and more efficient performance. That means better performance and energy efficiency, folks. Imagine running multiple apps seamlessly without any lag, and enjoying longer battery life thanks to the improved energy management. And brace yourselves, it's expected to come with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. This is a dream come true for power users and gamers who need that extra space and speed. Imagine the smoothness and the space. No more worrying about running out of storage or your phone slowing down. Now let's talk design. Nothing is iconic for its minimalist aesthetic and that cool glyph interface. This design philosophy has been a breath of fresh air in a market saturated with overly complicated designs. The Nothing Phone 3 is no exception. It continues this tradition with a design that's both futuristic and elegantly simple. Expect a sleek design with a transparent back panel that's bound to turn heads. This transparency isn't just for show. It gives you a glimpse into the intricate engineering that powers the device. Plus, the glyph interface will be customizable, adding a personal touch to your notifications. You can set different light patterns for different types of alerts, making it not just functional, but also fun. Onto the camera. This is where things get exciting. Cameras have become one of the most important features in smartphones, and Nothing is well aware of this. The Nothing Phone 3 is rumored to pack some serious upgrades. We're talking about a higher resolution main sensor that will capture stunningly detailed photos. Think higher resolution main sensor, better low light performance, and advanced computational photography features like night mode and portrait mode. This means you'll be able to take amazing photos even in challenging lighting conditions. And yes, the glyph interface will also be your visual cue for camera alerts. This adds another layer of interactivity and convenience to your photography experience. What does the future hold for Nothing? Given their track record, we can expect more groundbreaking innovations. Well, if their track record is anything to go by, the Nothing Phone 3 is going to be a game changer. They have consistently pushed the envelope, and this new model is set to continue that trend. It's expected to blend style, performance, and affordability in a way that disrupts the smartphone market once again. This could make high-end features accessible to a broader audience. So, are you as hyped as I am? The Nothing Phone 3 promises to be a device that not only meets but exceeds our expectations. Stay tuned for more updates on the Nothing Phone 3. We'll be bringing you all the latest news and in-depth reviews as soon as we get our hands on it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest tech news and reviews. Your support helps us bring you the best content. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious. The world of tech is ever evolving, and there's always something new to discover. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting tech adventures.